Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade for beginners, only way. Open an account, verify identity, and fund it before placing trades. Set simple goals and risk limits. Learn how market orders, limit orders, and stop orders work, and practice with a small initial amount. Track fees, understand tax forms like Form 1099, and review portfolio allocation to stay balanced and confident. In this video, I will explain how to trade for beginners, only way. Start by selecting a ticker and deciding between market, limit, or stop orders based on your plan and time frame. Enter size carefully and confirm buying power and fees before submitting. Use limit orders to avoid slippage in thinly traded names and set stop orders for risk control. Monitor fills and adjust orders as conditions or your strategy change throughout the session. In this video, I will explain how to trade for beginners, only way. Quick recommendation: I love those comfy socks you saw earlier. They survive long sessions at the desk and make logging trades cozier. Check the description for the link and other deals. If this content helps, please subscribe and like to support more guides and concise tips. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to trade for beginners, only way. Start with clear risk rules, like risking a set percent per trade and capping position sizes to avoid large single stock exposure. Use stop-loss orders and position sizing to keep drawdowns manageable and diversify to cover multiple sectors or asset types. Rebalance periodically, track transaction costs and tax implications, and keep a simple trading journal to refine strategy and build discipline over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.